Hey, little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Let's start. Stand tall with your feet together. Feel the ground under your feet. Take a deep breath in and focus. Place one foot on your leg. Bring your hands together. Stay balanced and calm. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Bend your knees and sit back slightly. Lift your arms up high. Stay strong and focused. Stretch your arms wide. Bend your front knee. Feel strong and steady. Fold forward gently. Let your head relax. Breathe slowly. Stretch your arms wide. Bend your front knee. Feel strong and steady. Stretch your body long. Reach up and down. Stay balanced. Switch side. Switch side. Spread your arms and legs wide. Stand tall and strong. Take a deep breath. Lift halfway up. Keep your back straight. Stay balanced. Step back into plank. Keep your body strong and straight. Lift your hips up. Press your hands down. Breathe calmly. Lift one leg up. Balance and breathe. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Step 1 foot forward. Lift your chest. Feel steady. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Twist your body gently. Keep your balance. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Sit down and lift your feet. Balance and focus. Twist slowly. Breathe and focus. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Open your legs wide. Fold forward gently. Relax your head and breathe. Stretch one arm and the opposite leg. Keep your back flat. Balance and focus. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Sit comfortably. Hands on your knees. Breathe slowly. Amazing work, yoga friends! You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in, and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye bye, yoga friends.